Today, we will talk about 10 online side hustles that can make you $10,000 a month. Earning an additional $10,000 a month through online side hustles is a realistic goal, but it requires strategic planning, hard work, and the ability to scale your efforts. The digital world offers countless opportunities to create a substantial income stream, but success often depends on selecting the right hustle and dedicating time to growing it. Below are 10 online side hustles that, when executed well, have the potential to generate $10,000 or more each month. 1. Freelance web design and development. If you have a background in web design or development, freelancing can be a highly profitable side hustle. As businesses continue to expand their online presence, the demand for well-designed, functional websites is growing. Freelancers can charge between $1,000 and $5,000 or more per project, depending on complexity. By taking on multiple clients each month, experienced web designers or developers can scale their earnings to $10,000 or beyond. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and scalable online side hustles. It involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral link. Some affiliate marketers earn substantial passive income by building websites, blogs, or social media channels that attract traffic and generate consistent sales. This might involve promoting products with a price range of $100 to $500 or more, which will allow you to earn larger commissions on each sale. Promoting through niche blogs, YouTube channels, or even email marketing campaigns can be lucrative if you build a sizable audience. 3. Create and sell online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, creating an online course is an excellent way to generate passive income. The online education market has exploded in recent years, with platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare offering tools for course creators. To make $10,000 a month, you'd need to create high-quality courses in a profitable niche and market them effectively. Many top course creators earn $1,000 per month or more from a single successful course. So with a portfolio of several courses, you can easily surpass $10,000 in monthly earnings. 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce is a great way to build an online business that can generate $10,000 a month or more. One popular e-commerce model is dropshipping, where you sell products to customers without having to hold inventory. When a customer buys a product from your store, the order is fulfilled by a third-party supplier. You'll also need a solid marketing plan, including paid ads, email campaigns, and content marketing, to drive traffic to your online store. With effective scaling, many dropshipping entrepreneurs are able to generate $10,000 or more in monthly profits. 5. Stock photography and video licensing. If you're a photographer or videographer, selling your photos and videos to stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock can be a profitable side hustle. These platforms allow you to upload your work and earn royalties each time someone downloads it. To make $10,000 per month, you'll need a large portfolio of high-quality images or videos. It's important to target in-demand categories like business, technology, or lifestyle. With the right marketing and consistent uploads, this can become a significant income stream. 6. Social media management. With the explosion of social media, businesses of all sizes are looking for professionals to manage their social media accounts. Social media managers help brands grow their online presence by creating content, managing campaigns, and engaging with followers. As a social media manager, you can charge anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per month per client, depending on the scope of work. To hit $10,000 a month, you would need to manage several clients simultaneously. Developing a specialized niche, such as working with real estate agents, restaurants, or small businesses, can help you attract high-paying clients. 7. YouTube content creation. Building a YouTube channel can be a profitable side hustle with significant earning potential. By creating valuable, entertaining, or educational content, you can monetize your videos through YouTube's partner program, brand partnerships, and sponsored content. With YouTube, the more subscribers and views you have, the more potential you have to generate revenue. Earning $10,000 per month through YouTube is possible, especially if your videos go viral or attract a dedicated, niche audience. You can also supplement your income through affiliate marketing and selling your products or services in your videos. 8. Virtual assistant services. As businesses increasingly move online, many entrepreneurs and executives need assistance with tasks such as email management, scheduling, customer service, and social media management. Virtual assistants, VAs, can provide these services remotely, often for $20 to $50 per hour, depending on their skill set and experience. By scaling your VA services and working with multiple clients or focusing on high-end services, you can reach $10,000 in monthly earnings. Specializing in specific areas like project management, tech support, or executive assistance can also help you attract higher-paying clients. 9. Blogging and content creation. Blogging remains one of the best ways to earn money online. By writing valuable content that attracts traffic, you can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Bloggers can earn money through Google AdSense, affiliate partnerships, and by building an email list to sell products to their audience. Reaching $10,000 per month with a blog typically takes time, but once you build a strong following, you can scale your income. Blogging in niche markets, providing high-quality content, and employing SEO techniques are key to driving consistent traffic and maximizing earnings. 10. Online consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a specific area, such as business, marketing, fitness, life coaching, or personal development, offering consulting or coaching services online can be highly lucrative. To make $10,000 a month, you would need to build a client base and potentially scale your business by offering group coaching sessions, workshops, or digital products. Building your personal brand, networking, and using online platforms like Zoom or Skype can help you reach clients worldwide. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.